So I've been working on this for a long time, and I feel like it's finally ready to be shown. It's called tinyhome.club. It's a three-dimensional tiny home designer, and I'm gonna just showcase it, show how it works, and then that'll be in the end of the video. So first you set the length of your house. So let's do 35 feet by 18 feet. And then up here, it shows the total square feet. And then you'd select the roof type. You can do what's called a shed roof if you'd like. Um, and then you set the overhang. Just leave it at 1 foot. I'm going to go back to a gable roof. Whoops. And then the roof pitch. I'm going to make it bigger. Well, I want a big attic, so let's do something like this. All right, and then you set the depth for your foundation. I'm just going to use 3, and you can select if you want stucco or cinder block or siding. Let me actually show my mouse here. Let's see here. Capture cursor. Okay, you should be able to see it now. So see, there should be drop down menus. Not really showing. Okay. It'll auto place if you mess with these, or you can place it with the mouse, and then you can undo, redo. Like let's say I accidentally messed this up where it's like overlapped. I click undo up here, undo, undo, and then the floor plan. What you can do is you can, let's say, move opening. Move this window over here and then draw a wall. Let's say we want to draw a wall here, draw a wall there, draw a wall here, place a door here. Well, I want the door to swing the other way. So let's undo, draw a wall, place a door. Want it to swing that way. Oh, I want it to swing that way. There we go. Anyway, and then, yeah, so let's say you're just happy with this. Then you look at framing view. It's updated. All right, nice. So you got your 2 rooms there. And then after that, we got all the materials calculated that you'll need. We can click up here, generate, and then you can download your plans. Oops. Okay, so we got our plans we can download. We got our plans here. Let me change this. Oh, it is changed. Yeah, I want landscape mode instead of portrait mode for the plans. Maybe they should be a little bigger. It's only using about half the page, or or something like that. Yeah, it should be a little bigger. And then you can get the cut list. Or material list, I guess it should be labeled. This is material list. There we go. material list, and then you can get the CAD file. All right, so I got it working finally. It needs some optimizing because it takes a little bit to download. But so you click download, and then you can open the file, and it'll open it in whatever CAD program you have. Fit. Okay, there we go. It worked. So yeah. Oh, whoops. I'm not really good at CAD. All right. So, there we go. Got it kind of crooked. Oh well. Yeah, there you go. So it works. That's pretty much everything with that. Next, you have a solar calculator here. You pick your state, uh, Florida, and then tell it what appliances you have, and it'll calculate uh, what solar needs you have and stuff like that. And then let's talk about pricing. Um, you can generate 5 for free, and then you have to buy credits. $5 for 50 design generations, plus the 5 you get for free, so it's 55. Or $10 for infinite amount. And then hopefully if some people start using this, people will share their knowledge on the forum. There's a forum here. Nobody's used it yet though. But yeah, just go to tinyhome.club, click try the designer, and there you go. And then also, I forgot to say, you can save your designs. You can save your designs and give them a name like Design 7. And then also, you can enable a second story. You can add windows, delete windows, move windows and doors, add doors, remove second story. Um, Hopefully it's intuitive enough, but if not, there's a help button over here, and this will tell you how to use the designer. So yeah, I hope people use it, and if it is broken, let me know. If there's any more features you think that should be added, let me know. And yeah, it's at tinyhome.club. All right. Thank you for watching.